guys, I just got done with a workout and I'm going to go wash my face and get ready for work. But I just wanted to come here and say hello, good morning. And I've gotten back into working out. It's been tough, but it's only week 2 that I've been doing it. But yeah, man, getting back into working out and being consistent with it it's not easy. It definitely takes some discipline, at least on my part, to get up early before work, change into my workout clothes, and actually begin to work out. Like once I'm working out, it's fine, but like the initial getting up and getting like started, ugh, it's hard. It's really hard, not gonna lie. I'm also out of breath because that was a tough one. If anyone's curious, I started doing Rachel Attard, the Femnitiva workout stuff that I've talked about before. So that's what I restarted doing. I can't go outside and do 10,000 steps every day just because where I live, it's not like the best place to walk. I live on a busy street in the city, so, and it takes a while to drive to the park, so it's just a little inconvenient. But I am determined, so I did order a walking pad. I'm excited for it to get here. I will show you once I do get it what it looks like. And I mean, reviews were mixed on like all the walking pads I looked at, so we'll see. Keeping my fingers crossed that this lasts and that it's a good walking pad and it serves me well. But yeah, I will come back to it and show you guys once it arrives. I made my post-workout smoothie. It's protein powder, a banana, half a cup of blueberries, and water. Sometimes I will also add chia seeds. I didn't today just because, I'll be honest, it's really, really annoying to wash my blender after the chia seeds. So I get a little lazy. And yeah, I just didn't want to deal with that today, so I decided not to put chia seeds in there. But they do keep you a little more full for a longer period of time, so I do recommend putting the chia seeds in. Don't be like me, don't be lazy. So yeah. This is my little first breakfast, and then I'm going to have like second breakfast in like maybe 2 hours or so. I'm bringing a couple of things to work and I'll just heat it up in the microwave there. Usually when I work from home, I then just go to the kitchen and make like eggs with turkey bacon or sausage or something like that, or just like a scramble with veggies. But today, since I'm going to the office, I have to pack it with me. Alright, so we are about to go to Something About Her, which is Ariana and Katie's new sandwich shop. If you don't watch Vanderpump Rules, that's where they're from. I'm really excited because Liz and I have been to Sir, we've been to Tom Tom's, we've been to Jax's. We're kind of hitting all the spots. I'm very excited to try the sandwiches. I feel like it's going to be really good. I feel like it's going to be absolutely delicious. I looked at their menu really briefly and there's like 3 sandwiches already that I want to try, so yay! Okay, just really quick, I wanted to show you what my dining table has been looking like lately. It's been a puzzle. One puzzle after the other. This time around it's Pocahontas. I also did an Encanto puzzle from also Disney, and I did like this weird fish puzzle that I got. I don't even know where from, but that one was actually kind of hard. This one was easy. I did it in like 2 days, and then the Encanto one was actually also easy. I did it in like 3-ish days. This one has 750 pieces. The Encanto one had 1,000. But yeah, this is what been doing on my free time is doing puzzles. I have a couple more. And Liz got me a like 100 anniversary puzzle that's like 2,000 pieces. I'm saving that for last. Okay, you guys, our walking pad is here. I'm so excited. It's been here for like 2 days now and I've been testing it out, so has Liz, and we freaking love it. It's currently in the middle of our living room. That's just where it is. We haven't really found a spot to store it yet, but I think it's gonna go under the couch. And I'm so excited. Here, here's the walking pad. And then we bought like a little pad thing under it because that's not supposed to go on carpet. But yeah, so we have that. And it's really small. I mean, like if I stand, like here's my foot. It's just a couple of like feet worth, I guess you could say. It's really not that big. And it took me a hot second to get used to the stride because I have a pretty big stride. I'm a little bit on the taller side. I'm 5'8". So, I mean, it's still lengthy. So once you kind of get used to it, it's totally fine. The other thing that I did have to get used to is the width of it. I found out that I kind of wobble when I walk. So getting like adjusted to it took a hot second, but it was like after the first or second time, like it was fine. It really didn't take that long. So you turn it on, you have like this remote, you plug it in, you turn on this little red light, and then you can adjust the speed on it. So you have a plus, minus, and this is to just go. And then it goes up to, I believe, 3.0 miles per hour. And it tracks your calories, it tracks the time you've been on it, and it tracks how long you've been on it. And that's pretty much it. I also use my watch, so that's really helpful on how many steps. And I try to do 10,000 steps a day. And then we have it like right here, like I said, right there on the bottom. And I just turn on a TV show or something, generally not a movie, but I do a TV show and I do either a long episode of one, or I do a couple episodes if they're only like a 20-30 minute show. And I strive for 10,000 steps. I really like it so far. I'm excited for it. It's so cute. Just gotta find a place to like store it. It's probably gonna go under the couch right here. I just have to clean a couple of things out from under it. Yay!